The kind of clay that we're using for our mixed media rat is an air-drying porcelain clay. This will actually dry a really nice shade of white that allows us to do anything in the treatment of the appearance. So our paint really is bright and vibrant on top of the white color of the clay. There are some other options with air-drying clay. You could do a terracotta, and that is like a darker red color. It dries out pretty quickly. It needs continuous molding and also water. There's also celluclay, which is more of a mixed media glue with newspaper. And that can be used, but it's a little trickier, it's a lot messier. And this kind of clay actually works really well for these kinds of projects because it's so easy. You just mold it and dry it. The other option is that if you have access to a ceramic studio or a pottery studio, you could use clay that needs to be fired. There's some prep work that goes into this, and it's not necessarily all that appropriate for children.